Voila! 7261 Breezy balcony.
Welcome to a room tour on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. We have 7261, a breezy balcony. We have muster station A. On this ship, they do old school. It's outside. Yay. Alright. You have one closet. You have two closets. Three closets. This one has the safe. You need a credit card, like an old credit card for that. And then here is our room. We do have a couch. Not sure if that goes to a bed or not. Desk area. There's the hair dryer. 4 total drawers. A cooler, fridge, whatever you want to call it. Let's talk about plugs in the room. There is one American plug and one European plug, and that's all we can see. Check the description of this video. We have some plugs we use on Amazon. They're cruise ship approved. And in the bathroom, you have the lovely shower curtain. Margaritaville at Sea shower supplies. Everything else is pretty standard. 3 shelves on each side. 1 sink. Toilet's nice and spacious. I appreciate that compared to some of the new ships we've been on. TV. More storage. Once again, the bed, king size. Both beds have similar setups. 2 bookshelves. There's a USB on the side and a USB-C on that side. Both lamps are the same. We do have a balcony. Two chairs and a table. And here's our view. Right by the gas barge. This concludes our room tour. 7261 on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, a breezy balcony.